Join me today as we make some art out of Rubik's Cubes. Hello everyone, KidSlam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to be drawing the Red M&M character out of this collection of 63 Rubik's Cubes. This collection has been used to draw a variety of characters, but today, since it's been a while since I've done a mosaic, I figured what better way than celebrating the M&M mosaics that we've also been doing here on the channel. I've left some cards up above, so let me know which character you would like to see next, and without further ado, I introduce Mr. M&M. And with that, I ask, what do you guys think? How did he turn out? Let me know in the comment section. I'm also leaving a card up above, so let me know which character you would like to see next. Since we've drawn our M&M friend here with Rubik's Cubes, it only seems fair to draw a Rubik's Cube with M&Ms, and so that will be coming your way. My name is KidSlam, and I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. Subscribe for weekly videos, and I'll meet you guys in the comment section.